It's your girl Lachey Vibes coming into you with another Curlbox video. I'm so excited. I am finally starting to catch up. This is going to be the May subscription 2020 Curlbox, and if you're new to the channel or you're not familiar with Curlbox, I will leave Curlbox link below in the description box. Box is a hair box where you receive anywhere between 5 to 6 items a month. The product lines vary. A lot of times it's a lot of the newer products. A great way to try out different products, especially if you're a product junkie. You'll usually receive like your shampoo, your conditioner, your styler, etc. Boxes vary, but they also offer for people who are not registered to receive a monthly subscription. They do offer the non-subscription boxes also, called the specialty box. For these subscription boxes, it's $20 a month. It's $5 shipping, and you're charged on a recurring basis, and your box is actually sent out to you on that next month, your bill a month in advance. So I hope that explains everything. Check out the link below in my description box for Curlbox. I do so many Curlbox videos and I always feel like I left something out, but that's the basis of Curlbox. But this month's Curlbox, well, this was for May. Like I mentioned, I am catching up. I have plenty of product reviews, so please make sure that if you're enjoying the channel and subscribe, that you have your notification bell turned on so you'll receive notifications when I upload. Jackie's box, and one thing I love about Curlbox is every month they have different names for the box, and this one was the greatest hits. They always have a beautiful model on the front, and it shows the items that we received for the May 2020 box. And then it also came with a collection, because Jackie's has a very large collection of products, which is really good, so you can see, you know, what they have and how to use it. These products, it looks like there's different recipes. It looks like they pulled from each of the different recipes that they have, just looking at the products. Let's go ahead and get started with what was in the box. First, we're going to start off with this beautiful satin scarf that was in the box. I did look at a couple other reviews, and I believe some people received theirs was more like had a pink in it. I think theirs was like a grayish or pinkish, but I received this blue one, which is really, really beautiful. Great for styling. You can use it for styling, or you can use it, of course, to wrap your hair up at night. And you'll see it has the Aunt Jackie's throughout. Very, very cute. Also received the Aunt Jackie's CoCo Wash Coconut Conditioning Cleanser. It's a shampoo hydrant. Thoroughly cleanses, mega conditions, and shampoos dry, brittle hair. Natural curls, coils, and waves, enriched with coconut milk and apple cider vinegar. The different formulas or the different recipes. This is from the coconut cream recipe. For the CoCo Wash, this is a softening cleanser, acts as a hydrant. Therapy for super dry strands. All of your favorite coconut, avocado, shea butter makes up the smoothing wash that reverses brittleness. This shampoo, when I tell you it was so creamy going on, it was so creamy, like even coming out, look at that. It was so creamy and smooth going on, and it lathered to perfection. It's really, really creamy, but when I washed it out of my hair felt it felt very dry. It felt like this is more like a clarifying shampoo. It really made my hair feel dry, so I was like, okay, because when I put it in, I mean, the way it lathered, and I was just like, oh, it felt really good going in, but when I washed it out, it really made my hair feel like it was dry. The Fix My Hair, it's an intensify repair conditioner mask. I really like the feel of this, and this is from the flaxseed. You see how they have the different, it's like this is a mixed Miss Jackie's box, like they have something from all the different lines. This is a flaxseed recipe. I love the smell of this. It kind of put me in the mind of like a custard. Look how thick that is. It's so thick, like a custard. Look how thick that is. Very, very thick. It felt really, really good. I coated the hair with this. You could put it on as a standard mask and leave it for 5 minutes, or if you decide that you want additional treatment, you can use it as an intensive repair treatment. By covering the hair with a plastic cap and sitting under a hooded dryer for 10 minutes. Remove the cap and rinse all the traces of the mask from the hair. I use it as a regular rinse out. I coated the hair heavily with this. It felt so good going in the hair, and I left it on. It says leave on for 5 minutes and then rinse it out. I left it on probably for about 10 minutes, and then I rinsed this product out again. The hair still felt extremely dry. Very disappointing. I really wanted to just be in love with these products. I actually love Aunt Jackie's. I use their Not Today on my son's hair. I've been buying it for years and I really, really love that particular product. Attributes of this is a revitalizing mask. It utilizes nutrient-rich flaxseed, which aids in preventing hair and scalp damage. It also lavishes strands with softening mango butter, omega fat acids, antioxidants, and vegetables. Okay, so that's for that. So then after I cleansed the hair, I followed up, and it was so confusing. I started to use this one on accident as a conditioner. That's why it's so good to read your products. I get so many products. It's really good to read your products and understand, you know, what order things go in and how things work. Because I started to use this after that. I was like, this is actually a leave-in. But then we received the Quench, the moisturizing intensive leave-in conditioner, ultra hydrating deep moisturized therapy for parched tresses for natural curls, coils, and waves, enriched with shea butter and olive oil. And see, these products have everything that, you know, that I would love. Well, all the, like, I love coconut oils and flaxseed. I love all that. Let me read to you some of the attributes of this product. Even it includes our favorite detangling and silkening ingredient, marshmallow root, along with extra virgin olive oil and aloe, applied to dampen and smooth through before styling. So I use this, and then I used a generous amount of that because I just felt like my hair was dry. And then I followed up with the Aunt Jackie's. Now this is from their coconut cream recipe. Their buttercream is an intensive moisturized sealing. All this intensive, and I'm just thinking moisture, moisture, moisture for curls, for natural curls, coils, and waves. Rich with coconut and castor oil. This has a lot of different oils and things that I really, really enjoy using in my hair. This is like a light cream. Very, very light. It kind of reminds me of like a gel. Reminds me of like a gel cream type product. It reminds me of a gel cream type product. So I use a generous amount of this, and then I rotted the hair with low porosity hair, which would be me. This creamy leave-in helps you hold on to moisture and heal split ends with honey, avocado, argan, and coconut oil. Again, ingredients that I absolutely love. Took it out. I will leave a clip showing you what the hair looked like prior to me putting it up. I mean, the hair is extremely soft. Usually my hair is soft after treating the hair, but the moisture is what I was really looking for. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but just not what I expected. Doesn't look too bad, but just expect more hydration, I guess. Guess expectations are always set so high. Not too bad, but would I replenish these products? Probably not. I'll use the leave-in conditioner for my son's hair. And then last but not least, this looks like it came from the Great Seed Oil Style and Shine recipe. This is slick, flexible styling glue, free, paraben free, superior hold, moisturizing, molding, and sculpting formula for hair and edges, enriched with marshmallow and root honey. I was actually going to try this and do like a part 2. I was going to use this as a wash and go, and I see it says for the edges. I'm not doing anything. I was going to try this on a wash and go just to see how it looks. I do have some other products that some Aunt Jackie products that I can pair with this from when I attended the period party the beginning of this year. I will leave a link below to check that video out. They gave us a swag bag with Aunt Jackie's products in it. So be on the lookout for part 2. I'm going to try this as on a wash and go just to see how it works. Read some of the attributes of that product. On this product, it is a sculpting gel that delivers superior hold to edges and ponytails while maintaining your hair health with grapeseed oil. Overall, I wasn't impressed. I like Aunt Jackie's overall, and like I mentioned, I've been using a Not Today on my son's hair for years. I love that leave-in conditioner, but not impressed. I wouldn't purchase any of them. I will have a part 2 to this video where I have some other items that I'm going to try the slick, but these products in this box unfortunately was a no-go for me. If you tried the product, if you get Curl products or tried any of these from the line, please leave your information below in the comments box and let me know what worked for you. Is there something else in the product line that you think that I should give a try? Also on the channel, I'm currently offering a 2-product raffle, free shipping, so please feel free to check that out. You don't have to be subscribed to the channel to enter that raffle. I will leave that link below in the description box. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video.